Arrivederci.
Property. They don't even have a bus for me. No bus. Welcome to Palermo train station.
Chiesa di Sant'Accento Anna la Misericordia.
We got a Palazzo Ganci. Thursday morning. Famous guy made it to the water. Central station. Man on a horse. Let's find a tram. Fits right between the trash cans.
Monumento ai caduti, Piazza Indipendenza.
Exploring Palermo, my day one. Città di Palermo. Porta Nuova. Tourist train. Nice park. Smells like horses. So it's a Palermo cathedral. Something happening. And it's in. On the tourist street. Banco di Sicilia. DA in the house. Something's on fire. We freaking got it. Found the beach. Van life. Polizia. Going to Airbnb. Smells like fish. Fifth floor, down the lift. Some premium neighborhood. Russo turista.
Teatro Politeama Garibaldi.
Very nice. Made it to the ice cream stop. Let's see what's on menu. Oh. The higher you go, the better the views. Today I am in Palermo, Italy. This is my apartment and this is the view. Restroom needs some work, but it's okay. boys chilling. Palermo. I'm going back down.
Statua della Libertà.
Nighttime walk in Palermo. Some music for ya. We're going in. Got some stuff. Let's go. Success. Excuse us. Let's check out the fountain. Freaking cats and dogs and cats and dogs. That's it for Palermo. Cathedral. Today I'm leaving Palermo and going to Catania. Need to get to the bus station. Or maybe take a horse. Kong, strong, wild power. It's a good stuff. Let's freaking go. Last look. This is my bus.